Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on right now is checking MTA bus time during the blizzard of January 27th, 2015. As you can see, is on the M14D, the 14th Street Crosstown bus. But what you don't see is buses on 14 at the moment. Reason being, as of 2300 hours, the MTA started curtailing bus service on the 26th of January of the year 2015. So, as you can see, along the line, you don't see any buses. Now, you could input different combination of routes. For instance, the M15. See? What you don't see is buses on that given line. Normally, at this time, there'll be anywhere from four buses to about maybe 8, depending on the day. So obviously you didn't see any buses at all on the 15. Now let's pull up another route, which is the M23. As you can see, no buses. The result, because of a blizzard that's going on at this moment. Well, you can also input various routes like the M101, which of course you don't see anything on there. Reason being, blizzard. Also, you could input 103 as well. Again, no buses. I'm gonna pull up, for instance, M79 for sure. See? Again, no buses. Now, let's input B44. No. See? Again, no buses on the B44. Now, let's go back to Manhattan. M60. SBS. See, normally you'll see buses on the 60 at this time, but there was no buses at the moment. You don't see anything. You don't see a bus sitting at the terminal, and you sure as hell don't see a bus at LaGuardia Airport. Now, just to show how crazy this really is, normally on a line like the M79, even too, you will see buses on the 79. So yeah, I'm gonna load up some service alerts for you people to see, dating back to the first one, which started at 16:08. See? So even before they curtailed service, they had to make some service route adjustments. See? What's telling about how this is. See, it all started out with service change at 2111. All you see is a bunch of service changes listed. Also for bridges and tunnels. Service change also for the buses. Buses will stop operating as of 2300 hours. Same thing with buses all throughout the 5 boroughs. But what's really telling is that as of 2311, everything got suspended. It's a winter storm. Yep. Now here's another telling story. As of 2319, every single bus got suspended as well. Reason why? Blizzard. So yeah, that's just to show you how a blizzard can affect how the MTA runs their transit network here in New York City. Thank you for viewing. I hope you stayed safe. Have a good night, and thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit. Goodbye.